Good day everyone, I am Leia Doria and today I am going to discuss about pie graph. A learning target. Construct a pie graph based on a given set of data and interpret it. What is a pie graph? A pie graph is a good way of showing how a whole is divided into parts. It presents data in a circular chart which is divided into sections called sectors. Each sector represents a part or a percentage of a whole. To construct a pie graph, we need to follow the steps. 1. Arrange the data or information. 2. Change each data into percent. 3. Compute for the number of degrees for each percent. Remember, a circle has 360 degrees. 4. Use compass or protractor to make a circle, then plot the data. 5. Level the parts and make a title or level for the pie graph. For better understanding, I have prepared an example. Maria's homework is to make a pie graph of her daily allowance. She divides her 80 pesos into 4 parts. 30 pesos for food, 20 pesos for transportation, 20 pesos for school materials, and 10 pesos for savings. The first thing we are going to do is to arrange the data using a table. Listed here are the expenses, amount, then later on we will find the percent and the degrees. 2. Change each data into percent. Since the answer for the percent is already given, let's proceed to the solution. For the food, divide the amount of 30 by the total amount of 80 multiplied by 100 equals 37.5%. For the transportation, divide the amount of 20 by the total amount of 80 multiplied by 100 equals 25%. For the school materials, divide the amount of 20 by the total amount of 80 multiplied by 100 equals 25%. For the savings, divide the amount of 10 by the total amount of 80 multiplied by 100 equals 12.5%. The total is 100%. So let's proceed. 3. Compute for the number of degrees for each percent. Since the answer for the degrees is already given, let's proceed to the solution. For the food, multiply the percent, which is 37.5% by 360 degrees. The first thing we should do is to change the percent to decimal by dividing it by 100 or moving 2 decimal places to the left. Like this. 37.5%, i-move mo siya kaduha. So, 37.5% will become 0.375. And that's the time we will multiply the decimal by 360 degrees and we get 135 degrees for food. For the transportation, we will do the same process or step. We will change first the percent to decimal. 25% becomes 0.25. Multiply to 360 degrees, we get 90 degrees. For school materials, 25%, change it to decimal form, we have 0.25 and multiply by 360 degrees, we get 90 degrees. For the savings, 12.5%, change it to decimal form, we have 0.25 and multiply by 360 degrees, we get 45 degrees. A total of 360 degrees. 4. Use compass or protractor to make a circle, then plot the data. 5. Label the parts and make a title or label for the pie graph. Savings, 12.5%. Transportation, 25%. School materials, 25%. Food, 37.5%. This is Maria's daily expenses. Remember, pie graph makes the presentation of data more easily understandable. Since you already know what is a pie graph and how to make it, I prepared an activity for you to answer. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, everyone.